Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I have an exciting unboxing to do with you guys of these four packages, and I wanted to thank today's sponsor of the video, which is Farfetch. So everything came from Farfetch, and you know, with such an amazing platform, you don't really need to search anywhere else, because Farfetch, in my opinion, has the largest selection of anything you might need. And this is all because they connect over 3,000 different brands, designers, shops, department stores all together with you guys, for you guys to be able to find pieces that you love all around the world. And I love that about them. They just literally have everything. And also one thing that I've actually started to use a lot is when you're searching for an item, for example, you know, a lot of the times I'm on Instagram, you know, trying to find inspiration, maybe new cute outfits, and whenever I see something and the person doesn't tag the item, what I do is I take a screenshot and then I just upload it to the Farfetch search bar, and then Farfetch can easily identify the item. And it's been such a game changer, because there were a few pieces that I liked but I didn't know the brand, and you know, Farfetch just literally gave it to me and I didn't have to, you know, go through everything trying to describe the item on Google search. And I also have a coupon code for you to use. It is ICA, and you get $40 off $500 spent. So definitely check them out. And now let's get into the unboxing. So which item should we open first? Let's start with this one. It's like a flat envelope, so it's easy. And the first piece that I got is over here. And it's this amazing vest from Frankie shop. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I'm so obsessed with the Frankie shop right now, and I already bought a few pieces from them, and I also really wanted to add this one to my collection as well, and I will show you how I will style it. I actually have a blazer of the same color, and you know, wearing the blazer by itself is really cool, but I wanted to complete the look by having the vest underneath the blazer without like wearing anything else, like no t-shirt, no nothing. And I tried it on and I just absolutely love the look on me. So I will show you some mod shots of how it looks. And here's the vest, and I think it looks so good. I need to throw on the blazer so you can see the complete look of how I wanted to wear it. So this is the look I was going for. I feel like I can throw on this bag as well and it will look good with the outfit. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, right? I got it in size large, and I would say that it runs pretty much true to size. I am currently breastfeeding my baby, so I went for the large size, and it is kind of tight on me, but it's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna breastfeed forever, so for now it's fine. It's in this dark gray color, which is very pretty. By the way, I'm gonna link every single item in the description box, but I think if you have a blazer, a Frankie shop blazer, you definitely need one of this as well to complete the look. If you don't have either, you definitely need both, because this is the look at the moment. Now let's move on to this piece, and I've been looking for this particular item everywhere, and it is already sold out in all of the stores. They had a few in Geneva, but it was like 3 weeks ago, and by the time I went to the store to check it out, it was already sold out. It's a pair of shoes, and I'm just, you know, amazed that Farfetch had them. I mean, how is it possible? All around the world, even on the official website, this pair of shoes is sold out, but on Farfetch it is available. I mean, wow, wow, wow. But can you see, it's a pair of Uggs. And I feel like people have mixed feelings about Uggs right now. Some say that they're completely out of style and have been for many years now. And others, like myself, are pretty much obsessed with Uggs right now. And these shoes are so hot and I love them. So the ones that I got are these slippers, like the slip-on slippers. They're called Tasman, I believe. I really love the natural tan color that they have, like the original Ugg color. But at the same time, I feel like for my style, for my wardrobe, the black pair would suit me better. They're so freaking fabulous. I'm gonna try them on and show them to you guys, but I got them in size 38. I believe they run a little bit small, so I would say size up a little bit, like half a size, or get a full size bigger. I love the new modern look. You can style them with so many different things. You can style them with flared jeans, straight leg pants, skinny jeans. You can style them with skirts and dresses. It's just a very easy shoe to wear in winter, and I love that they're pretty low. It is such a big trend right now, especially with all the Birkenstocks and this ones, for example. We see so many shoes of this style, and I also love the cute little detail all around the shoe. I think it is so cute and pretty. It has some sort of folklore to it. I don't know, it's very like ethnic, I would say, and I am just so freaking excited that I found them on Farfetch. I will also link them below if you're looking for them as well. And now let's move on to the next piece. So let's open the next box. It's a smaller piece, but it is also a very cool item, a very hot piece right now. We have all the wrapping. Here it is. Wow. And the piece that I got is this beautiful Jacquemus beanie. It is called Le Bonnet from Jacquemus, and I really love the giant detail right in the middle of the hat that says Jacquemus, and I really love this color. It's this a taupe color, almost like sort of in between beige and gray, which I love so freaking much. And this hat comes, I think it's just one size, and it's 80% wool, 20% polyamide. When I saw it, I fell in love. I knew I needed it for winter. I was never a hat person. Before last year, I was always cold, but at the same time, I refused to wear hats because they weren't cool. Last year, I completely gave up and I was like, you know what? I don't care anymore. I need a hat. So I got myself one hat, the cashmere one, but it was very thin and I didn't really like the way it sit on my head. I wanted a new one basically, and I think I found the perfect one, and it will easily go with any jacket from my collection because of the colors. The black is very classic, but also this you know, a taupe color is very versatile as well. I think it is such a cute piece for winter, and I know I'm going to be spending a lot of time outside. That's why I'm like, you know, getting ready for winter, and I think I'm almost there. And lastly, I have a new bag over here. I saw it online and I fell in love. I fell in love as always. So we've got the wrapping. I'm gonna put the box down. And the bag that I got is from Jacquemus. Once again, I've been obsessed with this brand. I know it's been around for quite many years and everybody was obsessed with the La Chiquito bag, and I spoke about it in my previous video. But for some reason, I just didn't feel like those bags. And now, I'm like, you know, I'm seeing more designs, newer style bags, and I'm obsessed with every single one of them. So I got a new bag. I know I just got a Jacquemus bag very recently, but when I saw this one, I couldn't leave it behind. I had to have it. So guys, are you ready? Ta-da! So the bag that I got is, I think it's called Le Banetto, and it's in this beautiful taupe color as well, just like the hat, and I wanted them to be like a combo. I wanted to wear the two together if possible. I really, really love this color. It is so beautiful. And also the material, it is leather, but at the same time, it is treated in this very interesting way. I cannot say that it's suede because it's not really, but at the same time, it's this, I would say on a more delicate side, something like a notebook material. The feel is so luxurious. It's like velvet, you know, it is so soft, and the color is so beautiful. It has silver hardware on the bag everywhere, but it's like aged silver hardware. It's not shiny, it's not in your face, so it looks kind of muted, and it goes really well with the color of the bag. It has this cool little hook on the side of the bag. I'm not sure how to use it, what to put there. It's not like I'm gonna have my keys hanging from this keychain. I think it's just a decor piece, you know. Maybe you can add something like a charm, but I think it will look a little bit funny. So it's a cute little detail. It also has a non-removable but adjustable strap that looks like this. I can't say that it's a very long strap, but it's okay. I'm gonna add more mod shots for you guys to see how it looks on me. So here is the bag on me, and I think it has the perfect length of the strap. It fits so well, and I also love the color because even with this outfit, it looks pretty good as well. I wanted to throw on the hat as well, so we can all see if they match together. I know it's, you know, it's ridiculous to match your hat to a bag, but you know, since it's a Jacquemus hat and a Jacquemus bag, I mean, why not? I think they look pretty good. What do you guys think? I am so obsessed. I'm just so excited for winter now because I have so many cute pieces. Wow, I love it. Then it has the front pocket over here, which is quite spacious. It has a back pocket as well. I have my phone over here, and I've got the iPhone Pro Max. And as you can see, it fits in the front pocket. The only thing, you can see it a little bit from the top part, but I mean, it fits. And this is to show you the length of the bag, and the interior of the bag looks like this. It has the cotton lining. I think it's cotton, and it has another tiny little pocket for your card over here, and it has a little plaque that says Jacquemus in the same material as the bag itself. So I really love this style. I always wanted a camera bag in my collection. I wanted to add one for many years, but I just couldn't find the right one really in the right color, because there is always so many camera bags, but at the same time, you know, with every price increase, they just become more and more expensive, and I could never justify the price. Whereas this bag, in my opinion, looks so stylish. It is so beautiful, and the price is so freaking good on this bag. And it also comes in many different colors, so I will link all of them in the description box as well for you guys to check out if you're interested. I'm just obsessed. Oh, another cool thing, I just placed an order for this bag, and we were watching Dynasty that time, and there was an episode with the sister Amanda, and she carried the exact same bag in the exact same color. And I was like, wait a minute, is that the bag that I ordered? And I love Dynasty. I love their fashion there. I love the way they dress. And so when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, this is so freaking cool. I knew I made a right choice. So I couldn't be happier with this purchase. And I really cannot wait to start wearing it outside because it is so beautiful, and it's been on my wish list for many years. So I'm just so happy I found it. And every time I go through Jacquemus page on Farfetch, and every time they add new pieces, I'm like, oh my God, I want it, I want it, I want it. Oh, now I just need to get back in shape and I really want to jump on their ready-to-wear pieces. Anyway, this is everything that I got from Farfetch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you Farfetch for sponsoring this video. And guys, don't forget to use the code ICA for $40 off your next purchase over $500. And this code is actually valid for both new and existing customers, which is amazing. Also, make sure to follow me on my Instagram account. It's @BonjourIca and the second one is Stylegram Daily. I would love to see you guys there as well. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!